Lesson 5. Working with Mouse. Sukaba, I sometimes wonder why the name of an important part of a computer is after an animal, a pest. This is because the early models had a wire attached to the back part of the device which looked like a tail and resembled the common mouse. Okay, and what is the use of this computer mouse while working on a computer? Sukaba, you have learned how and when to use a keyboard. Let's begin with the mouse now, as we need to understand about keyboard as well as mouse before we start working on a computer. Guinea is pointing towards a chair. Hero is pointing towards a tree. A teacher uses a stick to point the objects. The stick is used to point the object on the board. Hero and Guinea point towards things with their fingers. The teacher points at things with the stick. Similarly, we can point to icons on the computer also. A computer also has a part to point. It is called mouse. We use the arrow on the computer screen to point things. This arrow is called mouse pointer. This mouse has two buttons. This is called a two-buttoned mouse. This mouse has two buttons and a scroll wheel. This is called a scroll mouse. How to hold a mouse? We can hold the mouse with your right hand as shown in the picture. Place the palm on top of the mouse. Place the index finger on the left button of the mouse. Place the middle finger on the right button. Hold the sides of the mouse with the thumb on one side and the ring finger and little finger on the other side. We can use the scroll wheel with your index finger. Start using a mouse. A mouse is used for pointing the things on a monitor. When we move the mouse, a small arrow also moves on the monitor. A mouse is an input device. It is used to point at an item and select it on computer screen. A mouse also helps in drawing or coloring pictures. Mouse pad. We should use a mouse pad to place the mouse. The mouse pad helps to move the mouse easily and smoothly. Mouse buttons. A common mouse has two buttons and a scroll wheel. Pressing the mouse button is called a click. Left button. Place the index finger if working with right hand. Place the middle finger if working with left hand. Scroll wheel. Right button. Place the middle finger if working with right hand. Place the index finger if working with right hand. Mouse actions. The different types of clicks used with the mouse are 1. Single click. When we press the left button of mouse one time only, this is called single click. It is used to select the object. 2. Double click. When we press the left button of mouse two times quickly, this is called double click. It is used to open an item or to start an activity. 3. Right click. Pressing the right button of mouse is called right click. It is used to see the menu of the activity or the program. 4. Drag and drop. When we click on an icon or object on the screen and without releasing the mouse button, drag the mouse pointer, the icon or object also moves on the screen. We can drag the mouse pointer to the position on the screen where we want to place the icon or object and then release the mouse button. It is used to move and resize the objects on the screen. Mouse of a laptop. A laptop has a touchpad. We use the touchpad as we use the mouse. We can move our fingers on the touchpad to move the pointer on the screen. Left, main mouse button. Right mouse button. Touchpad.